City Pulse is sponsored by CN Vision Image Consulting, G, and International Focus Magazine. Music provided by Houston's own Dynamic Sound. HTV supports local businesses.
Hi, and welcome to this edition of City Pulse, a show for the City of Houston by the City of Houston. I'm your host, Mr. McKinney. Now, we have much to cover this week, so let's go ahead and get started. On today's episode, we'll tell you about a Houston Health Department helpline that provides updated information about the coronavirus. Municipal Court's Judge Marshall talks about the amnesty program, and a new Mariana's Minute will show us the program that will leave your wheels spinning. The Houston Health Department has opened a coronavirus disease call center for Houston residents needing more information about COVID-19. Houstonians can call 832-393-4220 to speak with the department staff that will answer any questions and concerns you have about the outbreak. The call center will remain open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. and Saturdays from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Houstonians can also visit emergency.org/COVID-19 for more information. There are at least 15 cases of the virus in Houston and surrounding areas. The most common questions from people is, how do I best protect myself from coming into contact with COVID-19? The Houston Health Department recommends washing your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds. Use hand sanitizer when you can't wash your hands, and also avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Cover your coughs and sneezes with a tissue and then quickly discard it. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. Clean and disinfect surfaces when you're sick, and most importantly, if you're sick, stay home. Mayor Sylvester Turner, Judge Lena Hidalgo, medical health professionals, and officials from the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo announced the cancellation of the rodeo, the rescheduling of cancellation of a capital improvement projects meeting also, and the tour to Houston, to name a few of the remainder events in March. Here are comments from yesterday's mayoral press conference regarding the coronavirus.
I will be signing an emergency health declaration, and which will remain in place for 7 days as we continue to assess the situation. And then depending on where we are at the end of that 7 days, then City Council will have to vote to continue that emergency health declaration.
We'll be right back after this break.
145 over 92.
180 over 111.
182 over 100. And I had a heart attack and a cardiac arrest, and then a stroke.
Your blood pressure numbers could change your life.
A lot of people don't understand, including myself. I didn't, now I do, the impact of having a stroke.
My memory is shot.
When I woke up, I couldn't speak.
If I would have followed a treatment plan, I would not be in this situation.
It's a tough journey.
Lowering your high blood pressure could save you from a heart attack or stroke. If you've stopped your treatment plan, restart it or talk to your doctor about creating one that works better for you. Start taking the right steps at manageyourbp.org.
It's a new life, but I'm gonna make it better. Coming back. Ask your doctor, check your blood pressure.
Grandma always says everyone counts, and everyone who lives with us is special. Like my aunt, who took me on my first bus ride to the library, or my older cousin, who walked me to my first day of school, even my mom's friend and her baby who live with us.
The census informs funding for schools, roads, healthcare, and more. So count everyone in your home, including all children on the 2020 census. It's your chance to help them for the next 10 years. You can respond online, by phone, or by mail. Shape your future. Start here. Learn more at 2020census.gov.
Welcome back to City Pulse. Every spring, the municipal court system announces their amnesty program, which allows people with unpaid tickets and other infractions to take care of them without being penalized for service or even jail time.
Good afternoon. I want to welcome you to the municipal courts building, welcome you to our courthouse, and for this program, we're pleased to announce that we are once again doing amnesty. Our theme this year is Let's Do It Again. We've done it several different years. It has been a success. And so this year, Amnesty 2020 is intended once again to assist the citizens of Houston and to help them have some closure to the cases that are pending or lingering over them. So there are delinquent cases as of February the 1st. If you have delinquent cases as of February the 1st, come in to any municipal court department at any of the locations that you find. Come in, talk to the judge. There are several options that you can do. We're waiting to assist you. We're waiting to help you do all the things that are necessary to get these cases cleared, to get them off your record, and to help you move on and do some productive things in 2020. It's a new year. It will run from February 28th, which is this Friday coming up, all the way to March 21st. So you have a window to come in, and there's no excuse to say, I can't get off, I can't do this. Our courts are open until 9 p.m. Well, last docket is at 9 p.m., and we will see you right up through those last dockets. So make sure you make some time to come in, take care of the business that you need to take care of while you still can. There's no fun when police officers are behind you and ask you those kinds of questions. We don't want you to have to answer them. We want you to come in, see us. There's no fear of arrest. We will not arrest you. You have delinquent cases, come see the judges at any of the municipal court, satellite locations, or this location. We're here to help you get those things cleared up, get out of the way.
For this week's Mariana's Minute, we get out of the studio and check out Houston's BCycle program.
Hi, this is Henry Morris from Houston BCycle. I'm here to tell you how to use the city's bike share system. As a guest rider, you can come up to any station. You can use this touchscreen right here, check out a bike with your credit card, and you're good to go for $3 per 30 minutes. If you want to ride as much as you want, you can get a membership on our website or use the mobile app, pay $13 a month or $79 a year, and you get unlimited hour-long trips. There's 109 stations and 800 bikes for you to use in Houston. We're excited for you to keep Houston rolling.
Recently, thousands took to the streets for a 5K run against violence. Here's Keith Jackson with a look.
Hello to you.
The 32nd annual Race Against Violence, sponsored by the Houston Area Women's Center, is one of our biggest mission-focused days of the year. We draw 2,000 participants, runners, racers, 400 survivors. So today is a day to honor and celebrate the work of survivors, and as a community, take a stand that we can and will end violence.
The families that are running together,
You know, it's the husband, it's the wives, it's their children, it's family members, it's friends. They are the survivors of sexual and domestic violence. They're running, letting you know that, look, the violence didn't keep them down. They bounced back up, and now they're motivating other people. You know, we can end domestic and sexual violence. It takes each one of us to do our part, but we can end it, and we should end it right here in the city of Houston. So I'm excited today.
If you or someone you know may be a victim of domestic violence or sexual assault, help is a phone call away. More City Pulse when we return.
2020 Census. Every 10 years, the census records everyone living in this country. It's written in the Constitution and comes in a questionnaire that counts everyone who lives at your address on April 1st. The data can be used to inform funding for services like fire stations, schools, clinics, and representation that affect your community. Shape your future. Start here. Visit 2020census.gov.
It's a short ride from your neighborhood to your naturehood. Find fun activities to do, like boating and biking, or camping and hiking, plus much more. To find a neighborhood park or green space near you, visit discovertheforest.org.
Welcome back to City Pulse. With the coronavirus making residents hesitant about traveling outside the state for spring break, let Houston First remind you that our city's famed museum district provides a nice staycation. Well, that does it for City Pulse. Thank you for watching HTV. Your story, your voice, your station.